Hi, this is Ken Boyd with the Accounting Accidentally website, and this is the second video regarding the online bookkeeping tips and best practices blog post that I wrote. So I'm going to slide down to where we left off, which was with the chart of accounts, which is such a critical tool in your accounting system. So let's define it first. The chart of accounts is a listing of each account name and the number you use to operate your business. Now, bookkeeping software makes it easy because they give you a template that you can use to create a chart of accounts, but you can always add, delete, and change account names as you need to. So for example, I see here, let's say you're running a restaurant, you're adding more space in the kitchen and you're adding fixed assets, ovens, refrigerators, and other equipment. Each of these new assets needs to be posted in your accounting system as a fixed asset. And then you're going to need to post depreciation expense on all the assets. So the bottom line is you're going to need to add a lot of accounts to your chart of accounts. Again, the point here is that you need a chart of accounts that handles every transaction you need to post. So for example, if you need to post $500 in depreciation expense, your accounting system needs both an expense account and a fixed asset account to get that done. So managing your chart of accounts is important, and it's a lot easier with accounting software. Vendors. Vendors are often neglected, but they're really important because if you don't take care of your vendors, you're going to have trouble getting quality products and services from a reliable supplier. So an accounting software system helps you track all those relationships. You can offer discounts on invoices. You can check to make sure you have sufficient cash available to pay your invoices and take advantage of discounts that you're offered. Bookkeeping software is really valuable to keep vendors happy and make payments on time. Perhaps the biggest reason of all is payroll. The biggest reason to have online accounting software is payroll. And you can think of payroll as 4 steps. You collect all the data from an employee on a W-4. Then you've got to calculate tax withholdings to come up with the net pay you owe them. You make payments, 3rd step, and then you have to do the tax reporting. This is virtually impossible if you're trying to run payroll on Excel spreadsheets. You're going to make a lot of mistakes. The other problem is the tax laws change all the time, and it's just too difficult. So please use accounting software. And finally, I wrote a book on cost accounting, and having software for accounting is a great way to keep track of your costs. To know your total costs, both fixed costs and variable costs, assign them to products, print out useful reports. I think all that information is great. So there's a huge payoff, in my opinion, in using accounting software in your business, and it really helps you grow. You simply can't grow and do more transactions in less time without accounting software. So remember, if you go to the home page on Accounting Accidentally, you'll find, if you go to the middle of the page, over 300 blog posts, and you'll see the categories listed here. You'll also see the page with over 400 YouTube videos on a variety of accounting and finance topics. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.